Welcome to Mantra Software Services. We are a TMMI Level 5 certified company that delivers top-quality testing solutions. In this video, we will demonstrate the execution of Selenium Web Automation Testing. Start with an agenda. Test Scenario 1, Swag Labs, SL. Place an order in the SL e-commerce website. Test Scenario 2, Swag Labs, SL. Filter products based on the alphabets and price ranges. Selenium Project Workflow. Test execution and auto-generate MSS Selenium Automation Test reports. Test Scenario 1, place an order on the Swag Labs e-commerce website. Log into the Swag Lab application and add products to the cart. Proceed to the cart and add the shipping details. Place the order and log out from the application. Test Scenario 2, filter products based on alphabets and price ranges. Log into the Swag Lab application and select the filter based on alphabets and price ranges from high to low and low to high. Add products to the cart based on the filter and place the order. Log out from the application. This framework will execute parallel cross-browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, execution using the thread concept. The number of threads can be extended based on the PC or laptop processor. We can achieve cross-browser testing within a shorter period. As this execution will be performed in the background, the user can continue working on the same PC or laptop. Using Microsoft Automation Test Framework, it will provide consolidated results, main result, and also detailed test scenario results, including browser level, thread level, and a screenshot for each test step. Set up and configure the MSS Selenium Framework from the Eclipse IDE. Select the test scenarios that need to be executed in parallel along with different browsers. Execute test cases and view the auto-generated MSS test reports. No coding is required as the MSS framework contains built-in functional libraries. Selenium can be set up and can start testing within a day. Eclipse IDE tool. Let me show the Eclipse IDE where the project is configured in Selenium. MSS Automation Testing folder. The test cases are developed and executed in Excel files stored in a folder structure. Control file and config file. The scenario control file is an Excel file where all the test scenarios are listed for execution. The config file is a text file containing the browser names, which are set to true or false for filtering and executing the test scenarios based on requirements. The browser to be used for execution column in the control file shows the browser used for the test scenario. The same browser will be mentioned in the config file, set to true. For parallel execution, any number of threads can be defined in the config file with the browser name, which again will be mapped in control file. All the selected test scenarios will be executed in parallel, which reduces the execution time to half. Keyword file. For developing the test case, we use a separate Excel sheet called as a keyword file, where we input technical details for steering the application in testing. Each automation test steps are defined in the keyword file along with the technical properties. Test data file. For test data, we use a separate Excel sheet where all the test data is included and maintained for the application testing. Each test data is stored in each column. Automation test execution in Eclipse IDE. Once the control file is configured and ready for execution, the test cases are run from the Eclipse IDE. Now, let me run the test scenarios from Selenium. The browsers selected for executing the test scenarios will be executed in parallel. After execution. Execution is completed. We have executed 2 test scenarios. Test reports. The MSS configured test reports are auto-generated and will be saved in HTML format after each execution. Summary report. The summary report shows the execution date and time, scenarios executed, pass or fail status, duration of execution and the browser used for each test scenario. Detailed report. The detailed report displays the test steps, time taken for each step, pass or fail status and browser used for execution. Failed steps will indicate the cause of the failure. Clicking on the failed or passed step will show the snapshots taken during the run time. Thank you for watching. For more details and to get your free trial now, please visit our website manthorasoft.com.